Well, hello everyone. I'm sitting here with Grizzly from Grizzly Discoveries. He brought up his A-team today to help me in the Ocean Picture Stone Quarry. And after that, we are going out to find some silver and gold deposits to help out Grizzly Discoveries.
Perfect. Yeah, the boys, they work cheap, just gotta feed them, but they eat lots, but ain't bad paying them.
And they work very well. Now, Griz, we have some news about the mother lode. Are we allowed to say anything?
No.
No, we're not allowed to say anything yet. Yeah. Okay.
Just say watch for a news release on the mother lode in the next week to 2 weeks.
Watch for a news release on the mother lode in the next week to 2 weeks. Now, Griz and I have a great relationship here. We're not partners per se. I have no actual, stake in, well, I do hold some shares, but I'm not part of Grizzly Discoveries. I just like working with them because we have a great partnership going on in that I'm out here helping them out find new discoveries. They're out here helping me out with my quarry. It's a mutually beneficial relationship we have, and hanging out with the Grizzly and the guys is just freaking awesome.
Yeah, we like hanging out with Dan too. It's pretty awesome.
So if you are interested in getting involved in something that I am somewhat involved in, Grizzly Discoveries is publicly traded on the TSX as GZD, right?
You got her. And on the American Exchange on the OTC, GZDIF.
GZDIF. There we go. So if you like some Grizzly stocks, check it out. The guys have a big load of Ocean Picture Stone for me. We're gonna have to reorganize here though, otherwise that tailgate's gonna go.
Tailgate might be on its last legs if we don't move this.
So the guys helped me get about 1,000 pounds of stone. A lot of it is mid-grade stone, but there's a good amount of premium as well. Awesome. And now we're just heading up to the Midway Mine, where we're gonna have a drill program going this year. See if we can find some good gold silver deposits. I want to be young again. Those guys are basically running up the hill. Griz is a smart one. He stayed back in the truck. And here we are at the Midway Mine. This is the mine site. Oh, we should probably stay out, yeah. This is the mine site that I optioned off to Grizzly Discoveries. It's on the same claim as my Ocean Picture Stone, but Grizzly is interested in this because the gold and silver. I'm interested in the Ocean Picture Stone for the stone. And here's the ore that showed us such great gold silver contents. Huge amounts. I can't remember the numbers right now, but they were amazing. I'll try to find those numbers and put them on the screen right here.
Pit up there, what's up there?
Yeah, up top there's a big pit where they actually pulled a big bulk sample out of and got a whole lot of gold silver out of it. And that's where we got the really nice samples from.
There's more to dig, yeah.
There's lots up there. I'm trying to convince Griz to do a bulk sample up there because I think he could actually make money doing a bulk sample. Look at that beautiful view.
It really is beautiful.
Isn't it great up here? Well, everyone, I know it wasn't much of a video. A little bit of Ocean Picture Stone, a little bit of Midway Mine, a little bit of Grizzly Discoveries. Again, if you'd like to support us, buying stocks in Grizzly Discoveries is a great way to do it. Hope you're all having a great day. Until the next one, bye.